In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix content servers unreachable in Steam. First thing you can do is go to Steam and then go here to Steam settings, and then here you will go to downloads and make sure the region here, the download region, is selected to the nearest location to you or your location. So if you find your city or country here, make sure you select it. If you don't find it, just select the nearest country or city to you. After you do this, you can make sure this is disabled, limit download speed. And then what you're gonna do here is you're gonna quit Steam, just like quit it like this, exit, and then reopen it and see if this fixes your issue. So if you're still having issues, it might be an internet error. So just go here and you need to right click here and go to settings. So this is the network and internet settings. So what you're gonna do here is go to your Wi-Fi, and here you're gonna go scroll down and you're gonna find DNS servers assignment. Click edit, choose manual, enable IPv4, and here you need to type in 1.1.1.1, and here you need to type in 8.8.8.8, and then you need to just turn this on. So put this like to either on a manual or automatic. So I'll just keep it like this, and then you want to click save and just close this down. So once you close this down and save it, try restarting your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.